Well, folks, welcome to my channel. As it says here, I just got done filming the live stream of the big announcement from Helix, and I wanted to jump on this before anybody else does. Nobody else has so far that I know of, but I wanted to jump on this now, and that is what's about to happen here. Okay, so let me just go to where I was, and I want to show you something very cool. As you may know or already are aware of, let me go back to what I'm trying to do here. Helix has recently announced the new line. And if you haven't watched that video, or if you haven't watched the live stream, you can go back and watch it on the live stream that I just did and my reaction to it. But something new is being released, and that is the Helix Stadium, if you're not aware of this. So if I share my screen with you, let me just go to my main display here. Okay, so let me go ahead and move also my OBS out of the way. This is what I wanted to kind of share with everybody. They're showing it now. It's now on their website, on line6.com, but check this out. If you click on this, look at this. We've got this interactive thing. I really wanted to be the first to do this. I don't know if anybody else has done this. By the time I upload this and release it, it probably will have been done. But look at this. The sound needs to be on. Let's see what this is all about, okay? I'm really excited about this. Let's see what we got. Looks good so far. Okay, let's, I had to turn that way down because it was clipping. The Agora amp modeling technology sets a new benchmark for authentic amplifier sound and responsiveness. Instant inspiration, the 8-inch high-res touchscreen and other refinements combine to offer the most ergonomic, intuitive, and inspiring user interface available. I believe that's true. Total control, leverage Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the showcase, automation, playback engine, and more for unprecedented control. And I might point out that I believe all this that you're hearing in the background is being done with the new Helix engine. Okay, so let's listen to some of this. And while you read this. Okay, that was pretty cool. So, I don't think anything else is happening. Okay, so, cool. Oh, there it goes again. It's just going to replay it. So, I'm just going to go ahead and mute that real quick. Alright, so, check this out. Let's read this together. Helix Stadium family amp and effects processors establish a new benchmark. Let me turn my volume up here again. A new benchmark just as the original Helix processor did, leveraging powerful DSP and the entirely new Agora modeling methodology. They deliver extraordinary sound and responsiveness to playing dynamics. a sophisticated yet intuitive user interface, and unparalleled control capabilities. Plus, legacy Helix HX presets are compatible with the Helix Stadium processors. Very nice. The Helix Stadium family comprises the Helix Stadium XL Floor and Helix Stadium Floor processors, the Expand D10 Digital I/O expansion unit, the EX2 expression pedal toe switch, and the Helix Stadium backpack. Let Helix Stadium products help you realize your musical vision. And that's just for now. Once again, I can't wait to see what they're going to do with Helix Native on this. Entirely new Agora modeling technology, methodology, hop control morphs between the ultra authentic and Idealis amp sounds, proxy amp cab, and effect cloud-based cloning engine. Once again, all this was announced on the live stream. Go check out my previous video. Preset compatibility with Helix HX products, high resolution touchscreen, high contrast OLED LED scribble strips on the XL version, focus view with contextual parameter control, preset audition audio clips and information, showcase automation and playback engine, highly precision expression pedal with toe switch, XL only, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control, and free Helix Stadium editing software, which is going to be just like HX Edit, but for Helix. All right, let's continue. That's the announcement video. This is a new video. Have not seen this one. I'm going to add that to my watch later list for sure. Oh, it occurred. Okay, so I'm very curious about that. You can go to this website to look it up. I'll probably go ahead and put the links below on that. Here's the pictures of this. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got here. Oh yes, this is going to be awesome. Okay, Helix Stadium XL Floor. Okay, so here's, you're going to be able to see the specs here. Trigger inputs, drum trigger inputs, external amp controls. The good thing is this base level model now features XLR mic preamp and some other stuff. The inputs are virtually identical, just a few things that aren't the same on both of these. Then you got that's the XL, and then you got the Stadium Floor, which is the one I would opt for, based on my needs. Okay, we've got I was curious to see about this pedal here. Precise control, volume, pitch, and other effects parameters. Cast aluminum. Integrates automatically with Helix Stadium, HX Stomp, XL, HX1, Podgo Express. It doesn't say anything about, well, we wouldn't need it for Helix or for Helix LT. Just plug and play. Let's see, put you connected to either a single TRS or two TS cables. Premium parameter control. Adjustable tension bolt. Okay, yep, same thing you can do with the Helix. You can adjust the tension. Here's the I/O interface thing that you could use for Variacs and other things like that. Here's the new backpack they've come out with. Pricing. Here we go. U.S. customers can expect to see advertised prices starting at $17.99 for the Stadium Floor, $21.99 for the Stadium XL, $219 for the Expand D10, $149 for the EX2, which was it's about what I predicted in the previous video that I just did. I was saying about $150, or even what the Pod Express costs nowadays, which is $179. So this is probably what I was saying, which is it's $17.99 and $21.99. That's $400 difference. So with the if you just chose the Stadium Floor with the EX2, you're losing a few inputs and you're losing the scribble strips, but you're still coming out about $250, $350 less, something like that, than if you had bought the full-blown Helix Stadium XL. $250 for the backpack. I don't care about the backpack personally. Starting June 5th, you can reserve your Helix Stadium online and in stores. The XL floor will be available fall 2025 and the Stadium floor in winter 2025. Okay, so that's good. Winter 2025. I was thinking earlier today, winter can also mean winter of next year, but no, it's winter of this year, so that's cool. Bluetooth, state of prototype imagery shown. It's an active development. Features and specs subject to change. Okay, and then you can go ahead and put your email list in here. So that's basically what I wanted to do, to kind of see what this website was all about, what this page was. So very, very cool. Coming very soon. Coming this fall, in fact. All right. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't watched the previous video, please go back and watch that so that you'll see me give a reaction and my opinions on the live stream that occurred. And also check out this website. I'll leave a link to this website so that you can watch the second video that popped up there. I'm curious to watch that myself. I'm going to add that to my watch later. And I've got a lot of catching up to do, seeing what everybody else is saying about the Helix Stadium. All right. I'll leave you with what I always say, which is thanks so much for watching. Keep creating. And let me just go ahead and leave you with the wonderful imagery here.